Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Near Protocol daily update. We reached the all-time high, and of course, before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription via our brand new website, Bill Mind Your Crypto. You can click in here and you can join, you can cancel anytime you like, and you can ask me anything you like on this site, crypto tips about us, and sign up. All the features and more features will be added. Let's go to Near USDT on the 4-hour frame. 18.7 Tether USD, our first target, if you remember from yesterday, that we had after closing above this line right here. And now, can we get even higher? Can we go past above the 19 Tether USD, for example, maybe 20 Tether USD? I think that we can. In the time being though, we have a little bit of a high risk, and we are going to see of course the price targets afterwards, but first let's see a little bit the risk metrics. Okay, so we have a very high risk with the RSI. You can see it is above the 70 on the 4-hour frame. This means every candlestick contains 4 hours of price action, and when we are on the 4-hour frame, we are looking for this short term. Okay, so we have the commodity channel index as well into an overbought situation right here, the stochastic RSI and the Fisher transform, that it had a bearish cross between the blue line, the Fisher transform line, and our signal line right here. Okay, so right now we might be going a little bit further down on the short term, probably be reaching the previous high back we formed on 4 January. Okay, we are going to see the next targets as well. Do not worry about that. But first, just know that we have a little bit of a high risk on the 4-hour frame. On the daily frame, on the other hand, we have a high risk as well with the commodity channel index. We might be forming a bearish RSI divergence, and you should be careful about that. So for the next days, be careful. Okay, as for Near against Bitcoin chart, how it outperforms Bitcoin, it is very good to know that of course we have an outperformance of Near against Bitcoin chart. However, I feel like we are going to see some lower levels right now, and the first support level we are going to see is the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement, the 0.30s 41194. Okay, and we can go probably towards the next support level, the 0.30s 39447. Okay, these are the next price targets due to the high risk we have for Near against Bitcoin chart as well. You can see that we are here again on the stochastic RSI and so on. We might be having a bullish pattern on Near where we have this action. When we have this action, we have an impulsive wave on the 4-hour frame. Okay, when we get a pattern like this on the RSI, we have an impulsive wave on the 4-hour frame for the RSI. Alright, but definitely I think that we are going down to the first support level, and probably to the second we are going to have a buying pressure again for Near against Bitcoin chart. On the daily frame, if we go right there, you will see that we have of course a very high risk with the daily RSI bearish RSI divergence. Might be play out, might this be the case right here, because when we have lower highs on the RSI and higher highs in the price, we are getting a bearish RSI divergence, and it is a strong pattern. Okay, most of the times it is a very strong pattern, especially when you see it on the daily frame and on the weekly frame. So be careful when you see this pattern. We might be forming a possible bearish RSI divergence. We are going to see about that. In the meantime, we have just now the stochastic RSI in an overbought as well. And we are going to see Near against USDT to see our price analysis. As you saw before, we approached our first target we had from the previous video. And now though, we are going to see these short-term price targets. Where are we going in the short term? And we are having some very important support levels. I think that we are going to the 17.482 as well. Okay, and we have one more, the 16.6. But first, let's see how Near will react on this price target right here. Because if Near stays strong and goes sideways in this target, then we can possibly go even higher. But if Near goes down, especially if Bitcoin goes down, Near will go down as well, because Near against Bitcoin will underperform. Okay, so Near against USDT will also go down. Then we might be testing even the 16 Tether USD, the 16.6. If you want some more minor support levels, then I would draw the fib from this bottom right here, ending up to this top. And you can see that we have the 16.689 the 17.3 and the 17, okay, around the 16.9 to 17, okay. So we have these major support levels. It is very possible along these price targets right there at the 0.618 or maybe at the 0.5, we will see about that, which are the 17 Tether USD. On the 17 Tether USD, around there we might be having a buying pressure, especially on the 17. I think that we are going to have their buying pressure and we might be getting even higher towards the 20 Tether USD. We can maybe achieve this, and of course the 19.9 Tether USD for near. We might be able to do that. For the time being though, we have to wait and see if we are going to find the buying pressure. On the short term we have a very high risk, that's why I provide mostly the support levels, and it seems like it is holding pretty good for this risk right there. The price action is holding pretty strong. Let's see a little bit the weekly frame, and then we can have a more of a thoughts right there. You can see on the weekly frame we might be getting a bearish RSI divergence right here, and this might be going and playing out, and you should be extremely careful as we have the commodity channel index into an extreme overbought situation. So if you want to invest for 1-2 months, I suggest you not do that, but not a financial advice. This is not a financial advice, that's my personal humble opinion. Thank you for watching, have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos, and do not forget to join our monthly subscription via our brand new website, okay, blmanagercrypto.com. Thank you, see you soon, bye.